In front of me is POCO X6, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. You need to begin by opening clock and tapping on alarm at the top left corner. Now before creating a new one, use those three dots at the top right corner and hit settings. Then adjust all of those however you want to, and when you're ready, tap on additional alarm settings and manage all of those as well. Then go back to alarm section. To create a new one, use this plus at the bottom. Then set up an hour and adjust your alarm however you want to. By clicking on this switcher next to delete after goes off, you can enable or disable this option and this way get rid of this alarm right away. If you want for it to repeat, tap on repeat section instead and apply the best option for you. Once, daily, Monday to Friday or custom. If you want to select custom, click on it and select the days of the week manually. By clicking on those blue dots, you can exclude some of them. By clicking on gray ones, you can add them. Wherever you decided, when you finished, hit OK. Now click on ringtone. Apply one of those melodies right away by clicking on the chosen one. Or select all ringtones at the bottom and click on pre-installed ringtones. Now to pick any song from your device, click on this plus at the bottom right corner, select allow and pick one of those sources, like music. Then hit allow, tap on one of your songs and tap on OK at the top right corner. Then apply next to the added one and OK. If you wish to select one of those instead, apply it the same way by choosing apply next to it and hitting OK. Lastly, click on this switcher next to vibrate when alarm sounds to switch it on or off. And by tapping on label your alarm however you want to. Hit OK. And to add your alarm, use this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To edit it, click on it, tap on additional settings, make your changes and click on the same check mark. To switch off your alarm, use blue switcher next to it and click on one of those options. You can turn it back on by hitting the same now gray one. Lastly, to get rid of your alarm, hold it and choose remove at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!